NCL Aqua Haven Room 13242. This is our review of the room and our great balcony. It was a really beautiful ship, and the room did not disappoint. Haven is always nice, but being on a brand new ship, or fairly new within a year, and getting to see all the extra things is quite amazing. So check this out.
Okay, here we go. 13242 Haven. There we go. Here we go.
Into the
The air conditioning works so well on this ship. Oh my god. Okay. All right, so as soon as you enter the cabin, you've got your temperature controls, and then it's all touch control, and then this is like a on-off switch, so bedroom on, bedroom off, and literally that will turn off the lights in the bedroom. That's all you guys have to do now. It's kind of different. And then this right here says hold to dim, so you can make it brighter or less dim throughout the entire room. Be sure to, be sure to remember to keep your key card or a card in there. That powers up the room. So these rooms do have all the are powered with the card in the little slot there. But this room is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I just have so much I want to say here about all this stuff. So hidden.
Where are we?
We're in the Haven. So this is so it's not a true aft like what we normally get, but it is at the back of the boat. So that's why they call this a Haven aft room.
Is this the Sun or the Spirit, or what ship are we on?
We're on the Haven Aqua. This is the second newest ship in the fleet. The Luna just debuted like a few weeks back or a couple months back, whatever it is. But yeah, so we just came off of the smallest ship, and now we're on the biggest ship. So yay us. Okay, so right here is like your little coffee center, beverage center. Your coffee pods are right in here. You got your tea and all your sugars and whatnots in there. Got a couple of drawers. This actually has silverware and your wine bottle opener in here, so a little hidden away there. And then this just an extra storage space. This is going to be your refrigerator in here. Now this time, we actually did send our email to our concierge to ask to stock it with our water, our pitcher of water, and a couple other extras. We didn't get it this time, so we're going to have to look into that, figure out what happened. Not a big deal, but we do like having our cold water. Glassware, nice, great size TV right here. You've got some storage options right here underneath the TV. So again, storage space is looking adequate in this room. Under TV lighting, so that just gives you extra room lighting in here. Really nice feature. I really like that a lot. On this side, you've got your ice bucket, couple more glasses. There is a power connection back here. You've got a couple of power outlets and a couple of USB, and it looks like a USB-C outlet back there. Over here, where we got our bags stacked, we got the couch and a sitting chair. When you're in the Haven, you do get all of these welcome notes and brochures and all kinds of stuff. Talks to you about your ports of call and anything special that you want to know if you're a Haven guest. I got me my bottle of champagne. Yay, yay, yay. You know me, I love my champagne on vacation. Okay. Sitting area, another sitting chair here. Power banks, or room controls actually. And power banks on both sides of the room. There is a lot going on there. So one of those buttons does control the shade. So automatic shade. It's just the one shade. The one with the door that goes out onto the balcony is manual. So that is automation only on one of those. The rest of all that is lighting controls. And then, like I said, you do have power connections down at the bottom. Looks like 2 regular power controls and USB down there. Beautiful king size bed. And it looks like on this one, we actually have some hide storage down here. So big enough to definitely put your suitcases in. Looks like there's probably some extra bedding down there too. So typical under the bed storage, it's just covered with the, it's just a little more decorative now with the paneling. And then it looks like we have, got some underbed storage right here too. And I'm not sure if that's one. Yeah, that's just one on this side and probably one on the other side as well.
No, nothing on this side.
Okay, nothing on that side. So you got one extra storage area underneath the bed. Great little vanity setup for you guys. It does, again, have this weird vanity on, vanity off switch. So press it down, press it on. You hold it and it gets brighter in here. Got your phone set up.
When you first come in, the room's kind of dark.
Yeah, great mood lighting. I love the mood lighting in here. But I also like my lights. So
hair dryer down there. This little vanity here. You want to get ready.
The blue light is coming from up here. I'm not sure. Well, I guess we'll figure that out a little bit more at night. But this bathroom is beautiful. Double faucets. Not a lot of counter space, but you do have your drawers right here. So you can tuck away all your bathroom essentials down here. Okay, and they both are automatic opening and closing. Oh wait, check this out. Back up, camera guy. So this is something kind of cool. So door open, door closed. Bye.
You fascinated that bathroom was coming to the door?
Well, that it closes by itself. Don't be rude.
She forgot to say there's a drawer in the little nightstand too.
Missed the nightstand drawer. That one's new.
Plenty of storage here, and we haven't even got to the closet yet.
Yeah. So lighting in here is pretty adequate. And if you need more, obviously you have the vanity station. You got all your soaps over here on the side. Got your power controls. And then, so in this area is your toilet. And we got ourselves a nice pocket door that will open and close by itself. Shower area.
Shower area is kind of nice.
Looks like it's the rainfall.
Yeah, it's got a wand, storage for your shampoo and stuff if you bring your own. It's got this big rain shower, good size. The bench is in here. So
It's got the typical Haven shampoo, conditioner, body wash, the L-Occitane, or however you pronounce that word. I'm not fancy, so I don't know how to say it. I don't think it's Occitan.
L'Occitane.
L'Occitane, sure. Okay, we'll call it that.
I watch a lot of hard travel. Okay, so funny story about our room. And so normally we bring a spray, the Downy wrinkle stuff, spray our shirts. Well, we decided we're going to get one of those little small, very small steamers for your clothes. This one was, 12 inches high, 13 inches high, something like that. It wasn't exactly really small. We brought it to just see if they would confiscate it or what the case is. They did not confiscate it, so we kind of assumed, all right, good. This is okay. We can use this one. So the first time I used it, because it's like a 4-day cruise. First time I used it, I did it real quick on the shirt. Everything was okay, no big deal. The second day, I was using it a lot to get things ready, and didn't quite work out so well. I was too close to the smoke detector above. It went off, and so it's beeping like crazy. There's nothing I can do to shut it off. No opening windows or, getting rid of just the steam kind of set it off, and everything's going crazy. Wife's yelling at me like, what did you do? We get a phone call, and they're like, yeah, what's going on? And I told them, And they're like, okay. And I had to give them the number of the smoke detector. And I don't know. It was going off for a long time. It was very loud. And they took maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes to get there. And then she came, called it in, and they turned it off and they confiscated the steamer. So don't take a steamer and don't try to do it. And if you do, do it out on the balcony or something. I don't know, but it didn't work for us. And I'll put a picture up in this corner here of what it was. So that's the one. And it was just one of those situations. The good thing about this is they were actually doing a fire drill or a muster drill. So alarms were going off anyways. People were already off the ship because we were at port. And, so it wasn't as big of a deal, I guess. But kind of threw a monkey wrench into their little muster drill. And, I gave them a challenge. That's how I look at it. They slapped us on the wrist, said, "Oh, you're not supposed to do that," took it, and we were all good and moved on. So, just a quick note, do not take a steamer, okay? That's what happened to us, and so you don't do it, and you won't have to worry about the embarrassment and the very loud buzzard going off in your room. All right, thanks.
All right, and then here is your main closet. So for those of you that are looking for your closet access, so safe, good storage areas right here. Got your Haven towels, the pool towels, necessities. Got a couple of drawers here. Down here, oh, look at that. That is a fancy little shoe rack right there. I'll be darned, never seen one of those before. Okay, and then on this side of the closet, if you want to trade me places, come on over here. Got our Haven robes and towels, or bedding, sorry. Umbrella, slippers, and that chute area down there. That's so cool. I mean, we've never seen that before.
Nice. Nice closet, big full-size mirror here when you walk in.
Oh.
And then the slats on the roof is nice. A nice addition.
Yeah, it's a very earthy feel in here.
Guess there's only one place left to go.
The bar. Oh, sorry, we're not out of the room yet.
Not the bar.
Darn it. Okay, so now on to the balcony, people. All right. Here is our balcony view. Okay, so
This is a Haven aft room, but not aft facing. So we are on the side of the ship, but in the back.
All right, door moves nice and smooth, so that's nice. Ho, ho, ho. All right, so it's not like one of our typical, again, aft-facing balconies, but this is a nice size balcony. Look at these chairs right here. They got this little reclining feature on it. So, oh yeah, taking a nap in that later, baby. But definitely good size here, guys. Really good size. This is a great room. Loving that my window is not in my shower this time, I have to say that. 2 cruises, we had showers in the windows. Wasn't really sure if I was feeling that or not.
This is our view. People down there in the infinity pool and down the loungers already.
So, cameraman, if you point back that way, you see how there's a little bit of a bump? So, those are the true aft rooms right there.
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.